Hello everyone and welcome back to ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. Today, we have an exciting topic that's perfect for all of you aspiring programmers out there. We're going to delve into the world of coding and explore how to get started if you're a complete beginner. Whether you want to build websites, create mobile apps, or just understand the basics of programming, this video is for you. 1. Why learn to code? Before we jump into the how-tos, let's talk about the why. Why should you learn to code? Well, coding is like a superpower in today's digital world. It's the language of computers and the foundation of software development. Learning to code can open doors to exciting career opportunities, problem-solving skills, and the ability to bring your ideas to life. 2. Choosing a programming language. The next step is choosing a programming language. There are many options out there, but don't let that overwhelm you. Start with something beginner-friendly like Python, JavaScript, or Ruby. These languages have a gentle learning curve and a supportive community to help you along the way. 3. Setting up your development environment. Now that you've picked a language, it's time to set up your development environment. We'll walk you through the process of installing an integrated development environment, like Visual Studio Code or PCharm. This is where you'll write and run your code. 4. Understanding the basics. Let's dive into the basics of coding. We'll cover key concepts like variables, data types, and control structures. These are the building blocks of any programming language, and understanding them is crucial. 5. Writing your first program. Now, the exciting part, writing your first program. We'll write a simple, hello, world, program to get you started. It's a rite of passage for every coder. 6. Debugging and problem solving. Coding isn't just about writing code, it's also about solving problems. We'll teach you how to identify and fix errors in your code, a skill that every programmer needs. 7. Expanding your knowledge. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to expand your knowledge. We'll discuss resources like books, online courses, and coding communities where you can learn and grow as a programmer. 8. Building projects. Building projects is where the real fun begins. We'll guide you through creating your first simple project, like a to-do list app or a personal website. This is where you apply what you've learned. 9. Best practices and coding style. As you progress, it's essential to learn best practices and coding style. We'll introduce you to concepts like clean code and version control to help you become a more efficient and collaborative programmer. 10. Staying motivated. Lastly, we'll discuss how to stay motivated on your coding journey. Learning to code can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. We'll share tips on setting goals, staying consistent, and celebrating your achievements. Conclusion. And that wraps up our guide on how to start coding for beginners. Remember, coding is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, keep learning, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more programming tutorials and tips.